Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Ramadan Kareem. To all of you, Ramadan is going to begin tonight and we need some vocabulary that is related to Ramadan. For Ramadan, we have a word that is the month of fasting. The month of fasting is Ramadan. And during Ramadan, what are the practices that we have? And we need to know those words in English. तो सहरी को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? सहरी को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं प्री डॉन meal. Pre-dawn meal is सहरी. So आप पूछ सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड से what do you want to eat in your pre-dawn meal tomorrow morning? So pre-dawn is basically dawn is the time before the sunrise and pre means before that. So the meal which we eat the time before the sunrise, that is called pre-dawn meal and that means sahri. And do you know what is iftar? Iftar is the evening meal, or you can say the meal we break our fast with. So, the meal for breaking the fast. The meal for breaking the fast. So, meal for breaking the fast. And by this you must have understood by now that fast matlab roza rakhna. Many of my students say keep fast. Not required. Fast is a verb itself. So instead of saying I am keeping fast, it's better to say I am fasting today. मतलब मैं आज रोजा हूं. और क्या क्या वर्ड हो सकते हैं जो रमजान से रिलेटेड हैं? Let us know what kind of vocabulary you would like to know about Ramadan. So my next video will be about those words. That's all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Keep watching.